Alright, well, there's a big hole in the ground. Yeah! And Flynn doesn't know that it's here. I'm gonna cover it up, and we're gonna race. Hopefully he falls through. Well, there's the hole now. So what he's gonna do here, wink wink, is jump into those bushes. Wink wink. Alright, jump into the bushes. Not really. Yep. Well, he's retarded. He's climbing the tree. Hello there, neighbor. Keep going.
Tree hugging.
Tree hugger. Oh my gosh. Do it again.
Oh my god, this is totally an accident waiting to happen. Alright. Let's do this. Wow. We bring stupidity to a new level. You might want to try sitting down first. Want to get a helmet? Alright. No way, man.
I didn't think I was going down once I made it to the bottom. I was like, I'm going to stay up. And then I hit the side and went right down.
Dude, that's awesome. Yeah, roll down the river upstairs, Nate.
You ready?
Yeah. Laugh at him, people.
It's going. Go. Yeah, go. Go.